Hi everybody, this is Kasia and I'm feeling artsy. Today we're going to learn how to draw a cute little chick coming out of an egg. The first thing I'm going to do is draw the bottom part of the egg, which is this part, which is kind of just like a giant U. You're going to start here, go down, loop up, and then finish at about the same height. So go ahead and draw your egg. All right, once you have drawn your egg, and these can be at a different height because as you can see the egg is cracked, we're going to draw the actual cracks. It's almost like a zigzag, but it's uneven. So some are higher, some are lower, some go a little deeper, and some go less deep. So just be creative and go down and then up and then down again and up and down again and up and down again and up and down and up and down and up and down and up until you're all the way to the other side. And mine's a lot different than that one, but it's fine. Every egg cracks differently. The second thing you're gonna do is draw this line, this little crack, and just pick one of these bottoms and draw a little zigzag line going down and then stretching, and that's your crack. Once you have done this part, we're going to draw your chick. We're going to start with the head. The head is a circle. You will pick a place somewhere close to the edge, but not very close because you still need to fit the little wing later, and then go up, do a circle or a part of a circle until you come to a point where you can't go anymore and you're going to stop. And we're not doing the bottom part of the circle. I'm going to start mine right here and then go up and draw a circle until I can't go anymore, and then come right. So I'm going to fix it. This is why we use pencils, so we can erase and fix our mistakes, and that's why pencils are our friends. Once you've had your head, we're going to draw his frou-frou feather head, and that's just going to be 3 little spikes going up. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, right in the middle of the circle, right in the middle of his head. Here you go. The next thing is his eyes. His eyes are balls. They're circles. So I'm just going to do 1 and then the other one. And inside of his eyes, he's got these light spots, and they're just circles too. So there's a big one in each eye, and then a small one, and then again a big one in the eye and a small one, and later you'll fill all of this in with black. After you did your eyes, we're gonna do his beak, and the beak is a rhombus or a diamond. Some people call it diamond. So you're gonna draw your diamond and then draw a line through the middle of your diamond. We're also going to add his little eyebrows, and they're just 2 little lines. So 1 and 2. And then we're going to draw his wings. The wings are just loops, and they come to the top, loop down, and then go again. So it's double loops. And I don't really have a lot of room here, but I'm just going to fit one like this, and I'll put the second one right here. There. After I've finished drawing my chick, I'm going to color my chick. I'll start with outlining it with a Sharpie to give it this more bright, stark look. Okay, I've done my outlines. I also colored this in black because it's like this shaded inside of the egg. I have 2 here, but I didn't leave myself enough room here, so I only have one. So you may have one or two, depending on how you've done yours. And I'm gonna get right onto coloring. I'm only gonna use two colors, yellow for the chick and orange for its beak. You go ahead and do yours. And I'm gonna speed through the coloring part again. Here you have it. I have two baby chicks now. The only one last thing, actually there's two last things you can do. One is you can draw a line that's gonna come from the left to your egg and then disappear behind your egg and show up on the other side. That's gonna make it look like it's sitting on a table or somewhere else. And the other thing you can do is add these little shaded lines, and you can do it with light blue or gray, and that's gonna make your egg look a little bit more 3D. And you can go ahead and post your artwork to Instagram and tag me at Feeling Artsy so that I can see how you did. And remember to subscribe to my channel so that you can see my next video. Till next time.